नमस्कार, मी निलिमा कदम. स्टँडर्ड 7th मॅथमॅटिक्स अँगल्स अँड पेअर्स ऑफ अँगल्स कोन व कोनांच्या जोड्या. Dear students, in the last video we have learned about adjacent angles. संलग्न कोन म्हणजे काय हे आपण अभ्यासलेलं आहे. Let's look at it. Now in this figure you will notice two angles. This is angle ABC, but in this angle you can see two angles, that is angle ABD and angle DBC. Now these two angles have a common vertex, that is B. So B is a common vertex, and as you see here BD and here also BD. So BD is the common side, that is common arm, right? So when there two angles having a common vertex and a common arm or common side and their interiors, see, interior of angle DBC is this and interior of angle ABD is this. Their interiors are completely different. Such angles are said to be adjacent angles. So two angles which have a common vertex and a common arm but their interiors are separate, such angles are said to be adjacent angle. सामायिक शिरोबिंदू, सामायिक भुजा, मात्र त्यांचे अंतर्भाग विभिन्न असतात अशा कोनांना संलग्न कोन असे म्हणतात. हे आपण शिकलेलो आहोत. Now see whether these two angles are adjacent or not. Now we first figure, this is angle A and this one is angle B. So B is completely this, right? तर या A हा जो कोन आहे, या कोनाचा काही भाग B मध्ये पण आहे. Means their interior are coinciding each other, right? Therefore this is not adjacent angle. They have a common vertex, they may have a common side, but their interiors are not separate, right? Therefore they are not adjacent angles. Now in this case, angle X and angle Y, their interiors are separate, but vertex of angle X is this, vertex of angle Y is this. Their interiors are separate, but they don't have a common vertex as well as they don't have a common arm also. Therefore these two angles are also not adjacent angles. And angle C and angle D, they have a common vertex, they have a common arm and their interiors, here angle C and this is angle D, their interiors are separate, therefore this is adjacent angles. Okay, these are adjacent angles. Today we will learn about complementary angles. कोटी कोन म्हणजे काय हे आपण आज अभ्यासणार आहोत. Now in this figure you will see angle AOB and another angle BOC, right? Again these two are adjacent angles. Now total we will get angle AOC. Okay, now before understanding what is a complementary angle, let's measure these angles with the help of the protractor. कोन मापकाच्या सहाय्याने आपण या दोन्ही कोनांची मापे मोजूया. First we will measure angle BOC. Okay, so we will put our protractor like this on OC, this coinciding with zero line or 180 degree, this zero line we are coinciding with OC, and we will measure this over here. How much it is? See here, 10, 20, 30 and 35. Okay, so angle BOC is 35 degree. Now let's measure angle AOB. Take a protractor. We will put this protractor on this point on O point on this point, and this zero line, it will coincide with OB, right? Now measure this angle. How much it is? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and 55. So angle AOB is equal to 55 degree. Now let's add them together. 35 degree plus 55 degree. How much it is? Yes, it is 90 degree. So angle A and angle B, the sum, when we add them together, the sum of these two angles, sum of the measures of these two angles is 90 degree, right? Such angles are known as complementary angles. So if the sum of the measures of two angles is 90 degree, they are known as complementary angles. ज्या दोन कोनांच्या मापांची बेरीज 90 अंश असते त्यांना परस्परांचे कोटिकोन असे म्हणतात. Now 25 and 35. Let's add them together. How much it is? 25 plus 35 is equal to 80 degree. Now here the sum of the measures of these two angles is not 90 degree, and therefore they are not complementary angles. Okay, so what is the condition? Their sum should be 90 degree. Next figure. Now here also there are two angles. Let's add them together. 40 degree plus 50 degree, which is 90 degree. So the sum of the measures of angles in the given figure is 90 degree. Therefore they are complementary angles. Next figure. Now here you can see these are not adjacent angles. Let's add them together. 35 plus 65. Now here the sum of these two angles is not equal to 90 degree, that is 100 degree. Therefore these two are also not complementary angles. Okay. Now let's solve some examples. खाली दिलेल्या कोनांच्या कोटी कोनांची मापे काढा. Write the measures of the complementary angles of the given measure of angle. Now here the measure of the angle is given, that is 63 degree. Let's calculate its complementary angle. How to solve this example? Let's see. Let the measure of the complementary angle be x. Now this is the figure, right? Now the one angle is given, that is 63 degree. Now what is the condition of complementary angles? Their sum should be 90 degree, right? So one of the angle is 63 degree is given, and we want to find out the measure of this other angle. So let the complementary angle be x. Okay. Now as per given condition, 63, what is the condition for complementary angle? Their sum should be 90 degree. Therefore we will get an equation, that is x plus 63 equal to 90. Okay. Now we want to get rid of this 63. आपल्याला कंडिशन माहिती आहे की कॉम्प्लिमेंटरी अँगल, कोटिकोन म्हणजे काय, तर दोन कोनांच्या मापांची बेरीज 90 अंश. म्हणून आपण हे समीकरण लिहिलं x अधिक 63 अंश बरोबर 90 अंश. आता या 63 चा आपल्याला लोप करायचा आहे. Therefore subtracting 63 from both the sides. Therefore 63 plus x minus 63 equal to 90 minus 63. 63 gets cancelled. Therefore x is equal to 90 minus 63 is 27 degree. Therefore the measure of the complement of an angle of measure 63 is 27 degree. Okay. So in this way you can find out the complementary angle of the given measure of angle. One more example. Here the measure of the angle is given 45 degree. Again, suppose we 90 degree complementary angle. This angle is given, that is 45 degree. We want to find out the complement of this angle. So let the measure of the complementary angle be x. So according to condition, that is the sum of the measures of the complementary angle is 90 degree. Therefore, we can write the equation as x plus 45 is equal to 90. Okay. Now we want to get rid of this 45. Therefore, subtracting 45 from both the sides. So 45 plus x minus 45 equal to 90 minus 45. 90 minus 45 is how much? 45. Here 45 gets cancelled. Therefore, x is equal to 45 degree. Therefore, the measure of the complement of an angle of measure 45 is 45 degree. Okay. Now you can practice for these sums. Here the measure of angle is given, that is 67 degree and 52 degree. Try to find out the measures of the complementary angles of these angles. If you like this video, please subscribe it, and also for notification of the next video, click on the bell. Thank you.